Hello and welcome to another informative video from STP. I'm Rick Bauckham, and today I'm going to walk you through how to select your agenda for STPCon. Selecting your agenda helps us here at STPCon set up the rooms the right way. It also helps the instructor know what to expect as far as attendance in their workshop or their session. A couple of questions that we always get from attendees is 1, can you print my agenda? And 2, do I have to go to the workshops and sessions that I've selected? Well, the answers are yes and no. Yes, we will be able to print agendas on site, but I'm going to also show you how to print the agenda yourself toward the end of this video. As far as your selections go, as mentioned earlier, we use these selections to set rooms, but we do not hold you to these selections. You can come and go as you please in and out of any workshop or session. If you've already selected your workshops or sessions, thank you. That helps us out a lot, but you can still learn how to print your agenda at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so first off, we want to go to www.stpcon.com. This is where, of course, you can find all the information on STPCon. We've got Know Before You Go page, which is where you found this information, as well as, the event schedule and all sorts of other things like that. So probably all of you have already seen this website and checked it out. This is where you went to register originally, but if you need to know any information about STPCon, please go here first. Also, if you have any questions about anything, you can contact us at info@softwaretestpro.com, and we will answer those questions for you. So we're here at the website, and we're going to go ahead and hover over the pricing spring 2018 and click on register now. We're not creating a new registration, we're just going back into the system. So as you can see here, we've got the email field. We want to go ahead and click continue, and then enter the password that you created when you originally registered. Once you're on the next page, you'll see a number of things. There's a little section of items that you can view and print your registration. You can make a substitution or start a new registration for a team member or whatever. But we're interested in this little section right here, select your sessions. So we click that. That takes us to the select your sessions page. And as you can see here, we've got all the workshops and the sessions that are available to select. Now, if you've only paid for STPCon, you'll only see sessions here. It's only those of you that have paid for workshops and sessions that will see this particular screen I'm on. So I'm just going through here. I'm just clicking on a few of these here just to get them selected. I like that one there. Automation's always good. And okay, I'm good to go. Now I'm going to hit continue. This will take me to the checkout page. This is very important here. At the bottom, we'll scroll all the way down and we'll click finish. Once we've clicked finish, that basically saves our registration, and our registration is complete. You'll see this message here. If you scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to see your full registration here, and now all of your sessions have been selected. Back up here, this is where we're going to print our schedule. All we have to do is just click on this link. It will download a PDF for you, and then you can go ahead and open that up, check it out, make sure it's right, and you can print this off for your records that you can bring with you to STPCon. And that's it. Pretty simple. As I stated before, if you guys have any questions about this process or anything else for STPCon, please drop us a message at info@softwaretestpro.com. Again, thanks for your time, and thank you guys for signing up for STPCon, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all in Newport Beach, California.